Okay, hello. Today I'm going to show you how to do the basket weave technique. We've already just decorated our cake with the crumb coat and then the final coat, and then we did just a fluffy cloud topping. This is what we call the basket weave that traditionally goes on the sides of a cake. It could also go on the top if you were going to do like an Easter basket or a basket of fruit or something like that. In addition, basket weave's not the only technique. Wilton's at Michael's, if you've ever heard of it, the craft store, sells these practice sheets. You can get them pretty much anywhere else too. Excuse me. And then what it does is it comes with these little practice boards. So here's our basket weave, and then for you to practice, you can put it right in, and there's plastic over the top, so you can take your frosting and just go right over the top before you actually start applying onto the cake, okay? I'm going to actually show you on a piece of parchment paper. Alright, so what I've done is I've shown you, this is our piping bag coupler, okay, and remember the big part goes inside and this is the outer, and then you can switch out the different tips. If you look, this is covered in frosting, this is a basket weave tip, okay. Now you can essentially do a basket weave using any tip, but this is designated to do the basket weave, okay. So what you're going to want to start by doing is, I'm going to fold this over, and this is messy because my bag is a little small, is you're going to start with one straight line. I have a little air in here, so and what's nice is if you mess up, because there's a little air in there. Okay, so you're going to do one straight line, okay? Start with one straight line. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go over it. I'm going to actually move this around, and I'm going to do horizontal lines right over the top. Okay, and I want them to be the width so I can fit another one right over the top, or right in between, I'm sorry. Just like so. And I want mine to be very tight, that's why I'm doing so many of these horizontal lines. Okay. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take this and do one more straight line, like so, okay, and then you're going to take this back and go over it and do another line, like so. And if you mess up, because it's on the wax paper, it's no big deal. And if you mess up on here, you can just keep doing another layer. I'm going to switch it around and do another one. Again, go to the edge for another straight line, like so, and then go over it again. So you can see it's covering up some of my imperfections. And baskets aren't always perfect looking, so it gives it that rustic look. Okay, so there's your basket weave. Here's one where I spaced it out and it's a little bit looser. Okay, and then that's your, you can practice this in class. Thank you.